The purpose of this module is to walk you through lab 3.2 on writing a program using decisions. Now, after reading the program, you're going to have a retail company that assigns a bonus if sales are greater than $100,000 or more, and an additional portion where if they exceed their monthly goal, then all employees will get a message saying that they get a day off. So this program in step 1 is easily solved just using one variable. So create a variable that will store the monthly sales. And then in step 2, what you're going to do is to name your modules. So one is already named for you. One will be called get sales, which will allow the user enter in monthly sales. And then give your other modules a name, such as a module that will determine if a bonus is awarded, and then another module that determine if a day off is awarded. Now in step 3, what you're going to do is write the pseudocode that will call the appropriate functions. So once you name your functions, go ahead and make function calls passing the appropriate variables. Now the first call is to get sales, and what that does is it gets the monthly sales. So here's the entire module written for you already. It's called get sales. It passes monthly sales as a reference and then takes in the monthly sales. And it is a reference because the value for monthly sales is going to change. Now in this second module that's set up for you, what you're going to do is put your module name in there. So if you call this is bonus, then it would be structured such as that. And then you're going to accept the variable that's needed in here. Now there's only one variable in this program, so that would be monthly sales. Now it's not a reference in this situation because you're not changing the value of monthly sales, you're just using it to determine if a bonus is awarded. Now the basic structure for your if statement is listed here and already coded for you. It's if monthly sales is greater than or equal to 100,000. Now we're going to not do just greater than 2 then, because that would have to be 100,001, and we want to include 100,000. Then we use the keyword then, and then what we want to do is just simply print you get a bonus of $5,000, and then we end if in ender module. Now that leaves this module to be coded for you. So whatever you named your module, you're going to put here, and you're going to accept monthly sales. And then there may be a few extra lines in here, but what you're going to do is write an if statement to determine if the monthly sales was greater than the goal, 125% of the goal, which is, as you can see here in the documentation, 112.5.